How you can change the world. Help refugees with the International Rescue Committee, IRC. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to help the International Rescue Committee, IRC. Step 1. Understand the mission of the IRC. Research the IRC's work. Visit the IRC's official website to learn about their mission, which includes helping people affected by conflict and disaster rebuild their lives. Link. Familiarize with their focus areas. These include emergency response, healthcare, education, and economic recovery in over 40 countries. Step 2. Donate to the IRC. Online donations. Head to the IRC's donation page and choose a one-time or monthly donation. Gift options. You can also choose specific gifts such as food, water, and education supplies for refugees and families in need. Employer matching. Some employers match donations, doubling the impact of your contribution. Check if your employer offers this option. Step 3. Fundraise for the IRC. Start a personal campaign. Create a personal fundraising campaign through platforms like Facebook or GoFundMe. Host events. Organize charity events like bake sales, auctions, or marathons to raise money and awareness for the IRC. Corporate partnerships. If you own or work for a business, consider partnering with the IRC by donating a percentage of sales. Step 4. Volunteer your time. Domestic volunteering. If you live in the US, you can volunteer in cities where the IRC operates, helping newly resettled refugees with language lessons, job applications, and community integration. Remote opportunities. Even if you are far away, you can volunteer remotely by fundraising, offering your professional skills, or advocating for refugee rights. Step 5. Advocate for refugee rights. Raise awareness. Use your social media platforms to spread the word about the IRC's work and the plight of refugees. Contact legislators. Advocate for humane refugee policies by writing to your local representatives and asking them to support legislation that protects refugees. And before we proceed, in order for you to be successful in contacting legislators, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 6. Shop for a cause. Shop through IRC's partners. Some businesses partner with the IRC and donate a portion of sales to the organization. Check out IRC's website for a list of partner brands. Step 7. Stay informed and spread the word. Subscribe to IRC's newsletter. Stay updated on their latest initiatives and success stories. Share on social media. Amplify their campaigns by sharing updates with your network to inspire more people to get involved. Step 8. Join the emergency response team. Be a first responder. You have relevant skills, medical, logistical, etc. You can apply to join the IRC's emergency response team to help in disaster zones. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, every little action creates a ripple of change, and together, we have the power to make the world a better place. Whether it is through a donation, volunteering, or simply spreading the word, your efforts can bring hope and light to those who need it most. As we stand with the International Rescue Committee, let us embrace the magic of kindness and compassion. And here's a quote to carry with you. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Aesop. Now go out there and be the change you wish to see. Till next time, stay magical and keep spreading those positive vibes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss the next magical adventure.